Hi lovies, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Today we have another tutorial, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can change your straight hair, even wig or ponytail, into perfect curly. So if it's the first time you're watching my video, thank you so much. You are welcome. My name is Glory Ntui, and please, before you leave, subscribe and turn on notification bell. Also, don't forget to give this video thumb up. The hair I use in this video is Expression Color 1, 82 inches long. To start, I cut my hair into 2 equal parts, and then I stretch my hair just to get a good ends. After I finish, I make sure I brush my hair well. When you're brushing your hair to avoid losing too much hair, you have to brush from down going upward. And this is my hair after I finish brush. You can use any kind of yarn. You can attach any place you feel it's okay. This is the amount of hair I will use in each section. So here I'm going to tie only one time, but I make sure I tie well. You just put your section and then put finger middle, pull, and then secure well. Just simple like this. Every time when I secure, I make sure I pull the hair well so that my hair can be secured enough. And then I continue pull small section, not too small and not too big. Just make a small section that will be easy to secure it well in this yarn. So up to this point, I use one package of Expression hair, and this is how the hair looks like. The next, I take straw. You have to make sure your straw not soft. You can see even bend is a little hard. This is good for us. This is how far I've come. I make this several, and here I'm going to show you exactly like what I did. Before I roll my hair into straw, I make sure I brush it well, and then I take a bobby pin, I secure on top, just a very small section to avoid the hair moving, and then I start roll and wrap the hair on the straw. Every time when you're wrapping, you have to make sure you roll it and keep a little space between one wrap to another so that you can get good curly. So continue wrap till end of your straw. After the hair finish, just bend your straw a little and then put bobby pin again. If you don't have bobby pin, you can put yarn. Yarn will not easy to unwrap, but don't use rubber band, because if you use rubber band, once you put your hair into hot water, the rubber band will break. So you can use either bobby pin or yarn. Just cut small section and then wrap in the beginning and end of the straw. So you see, in the beginning when I just put the hair to avoid the hair to move out, I just bend my straw a little and then I put bobby pin in the beginning, and then after I finish roll my braiding hair in this straw, I also put bobby pin end of this straw to avoid my braiding hair to unravel. This is how this style goes. And this is the last section. You can see what I'm doing. Just press bobby pin slowly, press your bobby pin, and then after I finish, press your bobby pin, put your hair back of bobby pin so that bobby pin will not tag your hair, and then start wrapping. Don't forget, when you're wrapping, you have to roll it. Roll, wrap, so that you can get good curly. After I finish, this is how the hair it looks like. You can see a lot of hanging hair, so I go ahead and I take scissor and I trim off all the hanging hair just to make sure I get clean curly. And yeah, just to make sure I get clean curly. So slowly trim off all hanging hair and make sure your hair they are clean before you put it into hot water. This is how the hair looks like after I trim off all the excess. You can use any leave-in conditioner, but in this video I use this sheer moisture. Just put a little amount. If you put leave-in conditioner, will help your hair to be more smooth and easy to unravel when you want to take them down. After that, I put the hair into hot water. I make sure hot water is very hot, 100 degrees. Then I leave the hair in hot water for about 2 to 3 minutes and then take it out. And I hang it over here for a single night to wait till my hair become dry. Here my hair is dry already. I take off some hair off the camera and now I'm going to show you easy and perfect way to take down your straw without to break your curling. So first of all, make sure you push down your bobby pin both sides and then just unravel one side and cut up of your straw and then pull your hair up. This is how to remove, and the safe way you can remove your curly and you will get neat and clean curly. Remove bobby pin first. If you use yarn, you have to make sure you cut the yarn first, and then after you remove, take scissor and cut up of your straw. Because we bend the straw up and down, if you cut on top, it will make easy for your curly to move out more than to remove your curly without cut the straw. Just cut the position you bend so that will be easy for you to push your hair out. That is easy way to take this hair down. And if you take like this way, you'll find your curly they still neat and clean. You'll not break your curly. And this is the last one. Just cut and pull the hair up. Simple like this. This is how the hair looks like, guys. So trim off down. Just make sure the hair is clean, and this is the final result. You may decide to use this as ponytail wig, or you can decide to go ahead and crochet your hair. If it's your wig, you already take your wig to another level. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly subscribe, like this video, share with your loved ones. I love you guys. I will see you soon.